As you know, PCGS for many years has offered a restoration service. This year we've offered it at a very much more affordable price, and we've also streamlined the service so that the turnaround time is more consistent, and you can submit through restoration to restore some of the original beauty of your coin. And we've got on our website, pcgs.com/restoration, a before and after sort of web application where you can mouse over a coin to see the before and after for restoration service. So it's a really great service, and we're very excited to be offering it at this new low rate. The need in the industry was that a lot of coins have over time, through storage or however they have, the metal has sometimes changed on the coin, and a lot of the coin's originality still exists underneath that layer. And so our experts at PCGS are able to remove that layer of dirt, grime, whatever, and restore the coin's original beauty.